While the Voyager 1 spacecraft continues to return science data and otherwise operate as normal, the mission team is searching for the source of a system data issue. The engineering team is trying to solve a mystery. The Interstellar Explorer, which is currently over 14 billion miles from Earth, appears to be functioning normally, receiving and executing commands from Earth, along with gathering and returning science data. But readouts from the probe's attitude, articulation and control system don't accurately reflect what's actually happening on board. The axe controls the 45-year-old spacecraft's orientation. Among other tasks, it keeps Voyager 1's high-gain antenna pointed precisely at Earth, enabling it to send data home. All signs suggest the AACS is still working, but the telemetry data it's returning is invalid. For instance, the data may appear to be randomly generated, or does not reflect any possible state the AACS could be in. The team will continue to monitor the signal closely as they continue to determine whether the invalid data is coming directly from the axe or another system involved in producing and sending telemetry data. Until the nature of the issue is better understood, the team cannot anticipate whether this might affect how long the spacecraft can collect and transmit science data.